Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, on Thinkorswim. Today, I will guide you through the simple steps to access this important technical indicator so you can enhance your trading strategy. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the chart of the stock or asset you are interested in analyzing. Look for the small icon that resembles a chart in the top menu. Once you have your chart displayed, locate the menu bar above the chart area. Click on the Studies button, which is often represented by a beaker icon. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, hover over Add Study. A list of various studies will show up. Scroll down or use the search box to find Relative Strength Index. Click on it to add the RSI to your chart. After adding the RSI, you will see it displayed below your price chart. You can adjust the settings by right-clicking on the RSI section and selecting Edit Study. Finally, familiarize yourself with the RSI values displayed. Typically, the indicator ranges from 0 to 100. An RSI above 70 indicates an overbought condition, while an RSI below 30 indicates an oversold condition. Remember to use this indicator in conjunction with other analysis tools for optimal trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.